Hi, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Bastian Weekly, your source for news and current affairs and insights into supply chain tech and recruitment. So we'll start off just with a couple active roles we're working on at the moment. First of all, we've got a national operations manager role for a market-leading 3PL business based out of Melbourne. You will be responsible for multiple sites, full P&L accountability. So if this sounds like something you're interested in getting involved with a growing organization, please let us know. We've got a PSO director role for a global leading supply chain software company headquartered in the US, but the role is based in Tokyo in Japan, managing a team of about 6 direct reports, oversight for all and accountability for all project delivery and pricing as well. We've got a BD director role for a APAC leading supply chain advisory business, but the role is based in London in the UK. Ideally, someone from a services, either logistics or management consulting background who's been accustomed to winning new work, selling services, and bringing new customers on board. We're looking for a supply chain lead for a ASX listed energy producing organization based in Melbourne. Ideally, someone with a background in project logistics, some experience with fleet management and bulk items would be ideal. We've got a financial controller role for a privately owned packaging company based in Melbourne. We've also still in the market for multiple automation DC designers. So if you have a background in automation and DC design, we'd love to hear from you, whether you're based in Sydney, in Melbourne, or in the UK. Bit of recruitment news. We've started this financial year off incredibly strong, having record months for both July and August here at Bastian, which have been fantastic. It does feel like the market's softening a little bit in the last few days, just in terms of the number of conversations we're having. But, we anticipate that, certainly in the next coming weeks and months, it'll certainly get a little more active as well, given that we're closely getting towards, peak period. So we anticipate the volume to pick up. We might just be in a little bit of a drop at the moment. I don't know if that's tied directly to the state of the economy or just us in general. But the last few days have been a little slower than usual. But we started this year off really strong, and anticipate that there will be a number of new opportunities coming across our desk in the coming weeks and months, which is fantastic. A little bit of news in supply chain and tech. Container volumes are way down in China, which is certainly a direct result of reduced demand globally, primarily in general goods and merchandise and apparel, things of that nature. We've seen record robot sales for the third quarter row in the US, which to us and to me specifically indicates that there's still a high interest and a high demand for the digitization and the onboarding of technology and automation and robotics into supply chain and business operations as well. So I think certainly that trend is going to continue, and that's reflected by those record peak sales over in North America, which is generally the market that leads the majority of the supply chain trends globally for us. So look, that's probably all we've got today for us here at the Bastian Weekly, but I hope everyone's having a fantastic week. And if you have any questions or concerns, or you want to talk about any of the roles I mentioned at the beginning of the video, please feel free to shoot us an email or give me a call, and we'll talk to you guys next week. Take care. Cheers.